Supposed to go this way. That was good. Well, today I thought I'd show you how to eat breadfruit or make it. This is my first time. I have no idea, but we're going to give it a shot from what the locals have said on how to do this. There's the breadfruit. As you can see, it's pretty good size. First of all, they said to peel it. So let's peel some of the skin off. Almost feels like an apple. Well, a little tougher than an apple. Let's cut some chunks off of this. See how wide it is. Really interesting. So we can get some chunks or some thin slices out of it. No idea how thin to make these. They also said you could bread it and fry it, so some oil in it. Let's try it first with vegetable oil here, so we'll get a good amount of that. Take one of the thin ones and let's fry it up. Try it and see what happens. Okay. No idea how much to fry it up, but interesting stuff. I'm thinking it's going to be kind of like frying up eggplant or something, maybe. Okay, I think we got it pretty crispy, a little dark around the edges. And I said put a little salt and pepper on it. A little salt, a little pepper. Let it cool down a bit and give it a try, huh? Kind of tastes like ketchup. Huh. Interesting. It's not bad at all. It also reminds me of like a potato. like fried potato. Put a little ketchup on that. Might be pretty good. An egg wash. All right, then let's just stick that in oil. Take that over. Got the oil off of it. Oh yeah, nice and cooked.